Arti, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, sister. What about you? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm also doing great. I'm so happy to meet you, a young girl.
Also, I'm very glad to see you. I'm over the moon.
Wow. So you have used so many one idiom here. I'm so happy to receive that idiom here.
I don't know any other idioms. I know only this. So
Okay, it's okay. You can actually gradually use those idioms in your regular speech. You don't need to spend extra time for learning those idioms. You can use it simultaneously while learning English.
okay, I will try.
Yes, and I would like to know about you, Aarti. Where are you from and what are you doing?
Okay, let me introduce myself. And my name is Aarti, and I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm from Tirupur district, and I'm a student. I'm doing BSc IT. I'm gonna enter into my third year. Yes.
Okay. Yes, Aarti.
Okay. How long you're doing this, sister?
Channel?
I'm asking about you. Yeah,
Yes. It has been 3 months.
3 months.
Yes,
Okay.
3 months. It's gonna be 3 months.
Okay.
Yes, after uploading 2 or 3 videos, I was not consistent in my YouTube channel, but it was my daughter who always pushing me, right? She is always saying me, you should do something. See, after third video, you did not do anything regarding your YouTube channel. So please ask Amma, do something. So in order to respond her, I have concentrated on my YouTube on uploading videos. Now she is very happy. She every day she gets up from the bed and she comes to me and asks my phone and she wants to see my views, likes, subscribers, everything. I like to see her face shining, her smiling, and the what to say that moment, that happy moment on her face. For her, and
Okay.
I'm doing this thing is she wants to be happy. That is thing I want mainly. And she should not
Okay.
think that okay, mom is not doing anything. She's always feeling about her bank job. She's very sad because of us. I was like that. I was scolding them, and because of you, I left my dream job. Like that, I was scolding them. But afterwards, I realized my mistake.
If you are in that frustrated situation, definitely we will scold others, right?
Yes, yes. Actually, yes, correctly said. I was not aware of what I was doing that time. Somehow, my daughter helped me to come out of that frustration.
So you have two daughters, right?
Yes, yes. My younger one, she's
What
in
they are?
UKG. She doesn't know anything about this, my job and YouTube channel and all. She knows that mom was going to office before, but now she's with us. She's not going anywhere. So she's very happy in that. She wants my present to be at home. I can go wherever
Okay.
I want, but before she comes to home, I have to be at home. She wants to see me whenever she comes to home. Yes.
So you said you have worked 12 years, right?
Yes.
You have worked 12 years, right, in bank?
Yes. Yes.
How did you manage that time your daughter will be like would be very small
Yes.
kid?
Yes.
Then
That
how did
time
you
my
manage that?
husband is he was taking care of our kids, and we actually before quitting also we had so many plans. We tried a number of methods and nothing was working. So finally I took this decision. My elder one was with my parents up to 3 years when I was working.
Definitely you have to take care small kids,
Yes,
right?
yes. So when
Mm.
it's come to English learning and what are you doing currently to improve your English skill and do you have any plan regarding your English, elevating your English skills?
Uh, Actually, I have a lot of plans like having sessions and reading practice and listening practice and writing practice and all. But I don't know how I'm going to do that. But I'm thinking about that.
Okay. So have you started anything? Have you started reading anything or writing?
Actually, I tried writing, but it didn't work for me. So
Okay.
and nowadays I'm doing just listening practice and speaking practice. In speaking practice also, I was not consistent, but hereafter I should be consistent.
Okay. Do you have any plan to start your channel, YouTube channel or something like that?
Yes,
Yes.
actually, I have started a channel, but
Okay.
I didn't upload. So
Mm.
I'm thinking to
Okay. All the best for that and do it soon and I'll be watching that.
definitely. And
Okay.
are the inspiration to me.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. And if we are consistent in our work, then something will happen to us. I know that very well because our hard work it really gives something. I believe in my
Yes.
hard work. I believe in my hard work. So I hope so.
Yeah, hard work never fails, right?
Yes, yes, hard work never fails. Correctly said. So when it
Yeah.
comes to English, what's your next level? What's your next plan? And how do you have any plan to move further?
Yeah, I'm thinking like I have to start a YouTube channel like that. And apart from that, first of all, I have to improve my fluency. Then I think I will focus on idioms and phrases and fancy words like that. So first, I have to be fluent.
You are already fluent. You are speaking fluently.
Some sentence I can speak, but mostly I will translate from Tamil to English. I have that
Okay.
problem.
Okay, okay. But it will come to you automatically after a week, after 10 days, if you keep on practicing your English communication, English speaking with someone, it will come to you automatically. If you don't find anyone around you to participate to speak English, you can do it in front of mirror or you can talk to yourself. I do this often. Whenever
Yeah, nowadays.
yes, I talk to myself.
Even if I'm doing any work, I will just speak to myself.
Yes, yes. What I'm doing now, I'm cutting the vegetables. After this, I have to do this work, that work, and after that, I have to do this work, that work. So I keep on saying that, and before going to sleep, I actually narrate everything on the daily basis. The whatever happened in my that day, I narrate. Ponder everything on my mind, and I just say everything in English.
Yeah, I have tried by writing, but it didn't work for me. So
Okay.
at least I speak about this.
Okay, okay. So you can even start writing your journal every day. In that, you can use your vocab, idioms, and your see whatever you are learning at that day. You can utilize. You can actually write that idioms and vocabs in that journal. See, no one is going to see whether it is right or wrong, whether you are using your correct grammar or not. You need to remember that word once again, so you can utilize that opportunity. I am doing that, and whenever come across an idiom or vocab, I make sure that I'm using those words, idioms in my journal. And I
Okay, are you
appreciate
writing?
myself also for that.
Okay, are you writing journal?
Yes, yes, daily 8 o'clock.
Okay, I think you're doing lot of this, right?
No,
Speaking, listening,
yes,
writing.
we have to do. And I don't think that it is a part of work. I actually want to say, I think that it is a purpose. I love this journey. So I'm doing it with lots and lots of love. And whenever I use those vocabs in my journal, I really feel very happy. Oh, okay, I have the capacity to remember those words, idioms in my journal, and I try to frame some sentences also in that.
Okay. Are you speaking English with your daughters?
Not
Or
fully.
else
Yes, sometimes I just say, come here, please have your food. Shall I help you like that?
yeah, I think nowadays it's very necessary.
Yes. And they also ask me to speak in English, but it is not coming. See, I feel very comfortable speaking in our mother tongue. So with them, I don't want to what pressurize myself. Sometimes they also ask me, Amma, please speak in English, okay? Talk in English, okay? Like that. Okay. What about you? Do you have the opportunity to speak in English to your surroundings?
Oh no, sister. Like I had studied my schooling in English medium only, but there also I didn't get any opportunities to speak. Actually, they asked us to speak in English, but at the time we all thought we are in Tamil Nadu, then why should we speak in English
Yes,
like that? But after getting that maturity only, I
yes,
came to know English is very important like
important,
that.
yes. Of course.
And nowadays also I'm not getting any opportunity to speak in English, so that's why I'm making the environment.
Yes, yes. It's okay. It's okay. You can start it now. It's never be late. Okay. The thing is, we have to start. Instead of doing
Okay.
nothing, we can start doing something.
Mm. Okay, sister, do you have any future plans? Like, yeah.
I'm doing MA English now. After this, I have a plan to my doctorate. Afterwards, I would like to be a guest lecturer.
Lecture. Okay, all the best for that.
Thank you so much. And what's your future plan?
Actually, before 1 month, I was thinking I should be like a civil servant like that.
Okay.
But my mindset get changed nowadays. I'm thinking, okay, first we have to get on good job in IT. After that, we can think about government
Okay.
exam like that.
Okay. Okay. So when it comes to English, you are very good in English. I hope so. But you have to improve your confidence level. That's all. That's all. Actually you are good in everything. Your sentence formation. You no need to see. Yes, you no need to waste your time that I want to improve my fluency. Then only I'll see that, see this. While improving your fluency, you can learn so many things. You can incorporate vocab, CDMs in your speech. Then it will give some richness to your speech. You will feel more confidence.
Okay, sister. But my problem is like I will forget that if I learned, if I didn't use that, then I will
Yes,
forget that. So that's why
yes,
I'm
it is.
thinking.
Yes, it is there for everyone, but we make sure that you are using that idiom every day. You relate that idiom with your daily life. First of all, first you said, right, how are you? I asked you. You said, I am over the moon. Like this, you start using those idioms in your life. See, hereafter, make sure that in order to say I am fine, I say over the moon. Next, afterwards, instead of over the moon, you replace that word with in cloud nine. I am on cloud nine.
In
I am on cloud nine.
cloud nine.
Cloud nine.
Okay.
Then another thing,
Okay.
I am on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world.
Yes, these are
Okay.
all called I am fine, I am good, happy. The meaning, same meaning.
Okay, sister.
And before 2 years, I was using what to say sticky notes to ask different questions like how are you? Instead of asking how are you, how can we ask different things? I used sticky notes for that. I was learning in that way. Now also I stick to some idioms on my wall, and whenever I go here and there, I have a look at that.
Okay. How long you are learning this?
No, really, because whenever I find time, I immerse myself in English. Some
Oh,
online grammar exercise, some idioms, phrases.
like I'm asking, how was your preparation? Like how? how
Yes,
much
I
time
was
did you?
burning the midnight oil. I was preparing on my own.
Okay, you didn't went to any institution.
For writing mock test alone, I went to the institution for writing the mock test, and for that, I would travel nearly 5 hours up and down,
Okay.
weekly thrice.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Anything? It's very nice to meeting you here, and we'll have another session soon. So happy
Okay,
to have you
sister.
here. Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Thank you, Aarti. We'll meet